Welcome to LK Technopreneurs. Sea cable coordination for the Asia region involves a complex set of processes and collaborations between different stakeholders, including cable owners, cable landing stations, and government agencies. The following are some of the key aspects of sea cable coordination for the Asia region. Planning and route selection. The first step in sea cable coordination is to identify the optimal route for laying the cable. This involves conducting surveys of the seabed to assess the terrain and identify any potential obstacles, such as underwater mountains or trenches. Once the route has been identified, cable owners must obtain permits and approvals from relevant government agencies. Cable manufacturing and deployment. Once the necessary approvals have been obtained, the cable is manufactured and tested before deployment. The cable is then loaded onto cable-laying vessels, which are typically equipped with specialized equipment to lay the cable on the seabed. Landing stations. Cable landing stations are where the sea cable is connected to terrestrial infrastructure, such as data centers or network hubs. These stations are typically located near major cities and require coordination with local authorities for land acquisition and construction permits. Maintenance and repair. Sea cables are subject to damage from a variety of factors, including natural disasters, fishing activities, and shipping traffic. To ensure the continuous operation of the cable system, regular maintenance and repair activities must be carried out. This includes conducting periodic inspections, repairing any damage, and replacing any faulty equipment. Collaboration and coordination. Sea cable coordination for the Asia region requires collaboration and coordination between multiple stakeholders, including cable owners, landing station operators, and government agencies. This involves regular communication and coordination to ensure that any issues or concerns are addressed in a timely and efficient manner. Overall, sea cable coordination for the Asia region is a complex and ongoing process that requires careful planning, collaboration, and coordination to ensure reliable and efficient communication infrastructure. Let's discuss about establishing a network connection worldwide. Establishing a network connection worldwide involves a complex set of processes and technologies. The core functionality of network communication across the globe relies on the use of a standardized protocol called the Internet Protocol, IP, which enables devices to communicate with one another over the Internet. The following are the basic steps involved in establishing a network connection worldwide. Physical infrastructure. The first step in establishing a network connection is to create a physical infrastructure that connects devices to the Internet. This infrastructure includes fiber optic cables, satellites, and other communication technologies that enable data to be transmitted across vast distances. Addressing. Each device on the Internet is assigned a unique IP address, which is used to identify the device and establish communication between devices. IP addresses are typically assigned by Internet Service Providers, ISPs, and can be either dynamic or static. Routing. Once a device has been assigned an IP address, it can communicate with other devices on the Internet. When a device sends data, it is routed through a series of intermediate devices, such as routers and switches, until it reaches its destination. Protocols. In order for devices to communicate effectively, they must use standardized protocols, such as the Transmission Control Protocol, TCP, and the User Datagram Protocol, UDP. These protocols ensure that data is transmitted reliably and efficiently across the Internet. Security. As data is transmitted across the Internet, it is vulnerable to interception and theft. To prevent this, various security measures are employed, such as encryption, firewalls, and virtual private networks, VPNs. In summary, the worldwide network connection relies on the physical infrastructure, addressing, routing, protocols, and security measures to establish and maintain effective communication between devices across the globe. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.